Lucky is learning the magnificent history of Earth, starting from the beginning. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was born hot, with no water. 4.2 billion years ago, asteroids and comets crashed into Earth, bringing water that formed the primitive ocean. 4.1 billion years ago, life emerged in the form of RNA with the help of Moon's tidal force. 3.8 billion years ago, RNA combined to form stable DNA. 3.3 billion years ago, blue-green algae churned out oxygen. 2.3 billion years ago, a galactic collision led to an ice age. 1.8 billion years ago, the first Nina continent emerged. What a journey from desolation to vitality, setting the stage for the Earth's further evolution. Subscribe and learn more with Lucky.